You're watching Second Mate Generation. Tips, Tricks AMP, Tutorial. Now your host Second Officer Dana. If you are aspiring deck officer, this video is for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel AMP, click notification bell so you won't miss any of our video.
Good day mga sir. In today's video, I will share with you about my ADP. My ADP in my main ADP is week 47. And then previously I have week 45. Now I want to have a week 46. So when I update, it is already week 47. So here in my backup, it is week 45. Now if I update this via email, it will be week 47. I want to have a certificate for week 46 for filing. So I will export update from Voyager. Okay, so here the latest one is week 46. So all selected section, all period selected week. So 2021 week 46, export update desktop and click OK. So we will update our ADP via Voyager. Okay, so now this is ADP update. So 2021 week 46. So we will open our ADP updating wizard, and then we will click apply updates you've already downloaded. Click next. Update from file. Next, we will browse the location here in desktop, the ADP update 2021 week 46. So we will select only this number 1, area 1. Okay, and then click open. So okay, you can see here week 46. Just click next. There are 28 other update files in this directory. Do you want to import them as well? Click yes. So when this pop-up windows is showing, just click yes, and then click yes. Okay, and wait until the update is completed. So in this way, we can have a week 46 certificate for filing. Okay, just click yes. Click yes. So now just click finish. So and then you can check your certificate. You have week 46, updated week 46. Okay, so file, make a copy and save the desktop, and then you can print it later. Now since you have already updated this to week 46, you can now update this one via email. So click this obtain updates directly from Admiralty Web Service. Click next. Update, send the email to request the update. Click next, and then click next, and store the request in a file to send later or to send from another PC. Click next, and this is the location of my USB. So browse this is my USB. Click save and click finish. Now I will send this file via email, and then I will receive an update. Okay, now we will update via email. So this is the response. Cut and paste to desktop. Right click, install ADP update, and this is now week 47. So if you are delayed updating your ADP, then if you have week 45 and now week 47, so if you want to have a certificate of week 46, then you can update it first from Voyager. Okay, so now just click finish. Okay, preview, file, make a copy, desktop, save. Okay, so I have already a certificate week 46 and week 47, so I will print it later. Okay, that's all. So I will delete this one now. This is the end of my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.